Minista Muviani wa Kinandu Silikalini ya Kaunti ya Masaku Mutanu na Unatungiwe Wiani Kwisila Mwamulo wa Koti Itina wa Kwithiwa Anavetangitwe Wiani ni Ngavana wa Masaku Muwandu Wavinya Ndeti Niwasyokethya Wiani Muthenyani wa Umunthi Aineena na Aandiki Mauvoo Uvisini wake Mutanu Niwaweta Kana Amemba mambunge ya Masaku alama atoiye mutala mbungeni wa Kumung'uthula mayai na ukusi Muviani kukonia maviti wala maandiki mutalatalani usu Ulaweta kana imwe ni siasa na kimena maendesye indiwenu yumite kuthukuma kaunti ya Masaku ndu vailite ate kwithukisya mawasya mala mateo mwende ya mosio Karo Monyoke na ilivoti.
Minista wa Kinandu Kaunti ya Masaku Mutanu Musyokethya Wiani Itina wa Mwamulo wa Koti Muthenyani weyo vala waweta kana nukwende ya kuthukuma kaunti ya Masaku ndu vailite otambeni aiweta kana Amemba mambunge ya Masaku alama atoiye mutalatala mbungeni wa Kumung'uthula kuma Uvisini wake mayai na ukusi mwanu wa kukonya maviti alama andikite mutalatalani usu.
The Form A that they were saying that I had not paid them got to my office on the 6th of July in the afternoon at 2:50 when I had already been fired. How did one Catherine Mutanu contribute to not paying them? We got the exchequer on the 23rd of June and the 25th of June. What was I supposed to pay them with? Whatever is gazetted, whatever you see on the newspapers, that is just information. And what they did, I don't know what they call impeachment. I have seen the report that they say the claims were substantiated against what? There was no defender. And if the impeachment went through, then we are still waiting. Let them bring it on. The revenue for the county stood at 3.352 billion. Is that revenue that can be collected by someone who is incompetent? Where does gross misconduct come there? How have I abused office?
Oyingi Mutanu ni wavya ya ithekande tosionze nzukwila inaneni we yulu wake aiweta kuma tenewe ni we yumite kuthukuma kaunti ya Masaku na ndanao na ye kama vitio matonya kutumwa ang'uthula Uvisini usu vala waweta kana mwe Amemba mambunge ya Masaku maliketi siasa Uvisini ma serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku vandu va kuthukuma mwene nthi vala makulya mekane na siasa na kimena kula kuyathukumi.
And somebody's taking advantage of their immunity, parliamentary immunity, to actually character assassinate someone like me. I would want to categorically state that they should also respect the same committees that vetted other people. Let us work. Let us stop sideshows. When you want to spoil somebody's career, it is very wrong. Politics should not take us to that level.
Okavinani Mutanu ni wa mutungia muvia Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Muwandu Wavinya Ndeti kwa matambi ala wosie na kumwitikilo yingi kwende ya kuthukuma Uvisini usu wa Kinandu.
And returning me back to work and to the same docket. It isn't easy. It hasn't been easy, nor was it easy. When you hear the word impeachment, it is even the least word today as I stand here as Catherine Mutanu that you would ever want on your enemy.
Ndili voti ya vilingi wa Mauvoo kumavaa musini wa Masaku ni Karo wa Monyoke.